Sometimes you might forget your website access and you don't know how to recover it. So today in this video I'll show you how to recover your WordPress username and password. So let's get started. First of all, if your website on live server, then you need to log into your cPanel. But if you are on local server, then you need to type your local address on your browser. So I will show you in the both way. So if your website on live server, then you need to log into your cPanel account, and your cPanel address should be like this. And actually, most of the website cPanel address are same, but some cPanel address URL is different because it completely depend on hosting provider. So don't worry about that. Just ask your hosting provider; they will provide you the cPanel link. As you can see, this is a demo. This is not an actual website. This is a demo website. And it will redirect me to the cPanel login page. Or instead of add cPanel keyword, you can actually use this port number 2083 in the URL, as you can see. But if you are using a local server, then you need to access your gem directory on your PC. So if you don't know how to access your gem directory, then let me show you. First of all, you need to click on your local C drive where you install the gem, and after that you need to click on this gem. Here you see an option called gem. This is actually a folder, gem folder. And after click on gem folder, you need to click on htdocs. Then you will see your local server, local website name, just like me. As you can see, this is a WP Codes Expert, and in my browser you will see website address wpcodersclub.com. Instead of localhost WP Code Expert, I just modified this as a custom domain. So you can do it by yourself if you know how to modify local server address. So once you are logged into your cPanel, then you just need to click on your phpMyAdmin. And I'm not going to click on it because I'm currently working on my local server. But if you are working on live server, then you just need to click on it. So if you are working on local server just like me, then go to your browser and type here localhost phpMyAdmin. Then select your website database name and click on it. So I'm going to click on my WP Codes Expert, and in here contain the word search bar. Just search options, users. Then you will see all of your WordPress user. And as you can see, currently there is only one user, and which is me. So as the example, suppose I don't know my password and actually I forget my password. I can actually see my username from here, but I don't know my password. So how can I actually restore it or recover it now? So to recover your password, then you have to just do some code, or you can actually copy the code from my video description. But suppose you have the key code, but you don't know how to apply it, or you cannot apply it because you don't have any experience with WordPress or the coding functions, hooks. So how can you do it? So don't worry about it, because I'm going to show you how to apply this code on your website. So first of all, if you are on live server, then go to your website, inside WP content, find the activated theme on your website. So let me show you an example. So suppose as you can see, my website currently have many themes, but on my website there is only one theme is active still, and the theme is Ocean WP. So currently I'm using Ocean WP in my website. So I'm going to open this theme folder, and if you are using a different theme, then just click on your theme folder and find a file called index.php. So open it with your code editor. If you don't have any code editor, then you can use Windows default code editor, which is Notepad. So after opening your index file, then write a PHP tag after get header function. So before writing our code, we need to actually collect our user ID. So to find your user ID, you need to go back to your database and check whatever user ID you have. So let me show you. I have my user ID is one. Actually, I have only one user on my database, so I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to just update my password kindly. After that, I will show you how to create another user. If you actually forget your username and password at a time, you can actually use that code to make a new user for you, and you can actually recover your website easily without logging to your cPanel or without checking your database. First of all, let me show you how to update your password. So here I'm going to type user ID equal to 1. So after that, I'm going to take another variable WP, not variable actually. Sorry, I'm going to write a function called WP update user. Inside that user function, we are going to take an array, and inside array, we have to define our ID first of all. The write a capital letter ID inside array. It's a key, and after that, the value is our user ID, and take another key inside our function, which is user pass, and after that in here we have to create a value which is actually our password. So I'm going to just typing wp codersclub as my password. So I'm going to save it, and if I now refresh my website, let me show you. As you can see that my existing password which is int with JS, and if I now refresh my website, then you will see this password has changed. So if I refresh my browse, then you will see that this password is changed. Click on browse. As you can see that this password is already changed. If I refresh it one more time, then you will see that this password is also changed again. If I click, then you will see that this password is already changed. So if I try to log in my website, wp admin, but first you have to comment this, or you can actually remove it after you update your password. So I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to try to log into my website with this WP Coders Club password. So WP Coders password, and here you can see this is another password, WP Coders Club. And if I click on login, it should have given me the access. As you can see, this I can actually log into my website. So first of all, I'm going to log out from my website. Now we are going to see our second method. Suppose you forgot your existing username or password. So now how can you recover your website access? Now I will show you an easy way to gain your website access, or you can recover your website without any hassle. So first of all, go to your theme folder. So my theme is Ocean WP. So after that, find the function.php function file and open it on your code editor. So here is my functions.php. I'm going to open it. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here, just add a comment. Custom user role for my website. Okay. First of all, save it. here, write a variable, suppose wp coders club new user equal to wp create user. First parameter should be your username, so my username should be wp wp codes, and second parameter is password, so password should be same wp codes, and third parameter is your email. So I'm going to put a demo email, demo@test.com. Now put a semicolon here. After that, just take another variable which is same. So I'm going to use same variable, wp codersclub user new user equal to, and we are going to create an instance on our wp user class. So to create an instance, you have to put new wp user and put this variable inside our class. Don't forget your $sign. So now after take this variable again, repeat this wp codersclub new user, then type set role and write here administration or administrator creator. Now save it and go to your website. First of all, check your website database that how many users do you have currently on your website. So I'm going to check my database first. So as you can see, there is only one user, which is wp course expert. So if I refresh my website now, then you will see there is another user which is wp course. So first of all, save it and go to your website. Now refresh. So if I refresh my database now, then you will see there is another user already inserted on my database. So as you can see, there is another user which is wp course. So if I now try to log in my website with this user, wp admin, so I'm going to put same wp course and my password is wp course. So just click on I don't need to remember me, so just click on login. It's working, right? That's perfect. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you subscribe my channel for more video. See you in the next video.